Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a twisted messy updo on medium length hair. To start, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face, and then I'm going to take the rest of the hair from just above the ear all the way back to the middle of the back of the head. Secure this into a ponytail, make sure it's not too tight, and then just repeat on the opposite side. So take all of the hair from the ear upwards, bring it round to the back and secure into a ponytail. Next, we're going to make a hole above the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers from the bottom through to the top. Then just grab hold of that ponytail with your fingers and pull it all the way through the hole to create a twist. And then repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Next, I'm going to add some spray wax over the top of the head. This just helps with flyaways and gives great hold. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then gently pinch and pull all the hair on the top of the head, including both of those twists. Repeat this on both sides. Then we're going to divide the rest of the hair in half, and we're just going to secure each half into a low ponytail at the nape of the neck. Add some texture powder to both ponytails. Again, I'll list it in the description. Now I'm going to do a rope braid, so split one of those ponytails in half, and with the right hand strand I'm going to twist it clockwise and then cross it over the top of the left strand. So always spin the right hand strand clockwise and pass it over the top of the left hand strand. Secure it with a clear elastic band at the end. Then just repeat on the opposite side. Use your fingers to gently pinch and pull that twist apart for more volume. Then just repeat it on the opposite side. And all we're going to do is take one of those rope braids and gently wrap it around the base of that ponytail. This will make a little bun, then just secure it all the way around the outside using as many bobby pins as needed. And repeat on the opposite side. So grab your twist, wrap it around the base of that ponytail and make sure you tuck your ends underneath. Hold it next to the first bun and secure with as many pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.